Hey physics, welcome to week 17 out of 20. We're getting close to the end here. Here's the plan for this week. We're going to start off async time today. You are going to work on finishing up the acceleration equation and graphing worksheet. So first hour's got to just do number 10, fourth hour's got to do 7 through 10, sixth hour's got to do 8 through 10, and I'll make a video of the graphing ones. I think I probably will. If not, we'll do it in class first thing. And there's also a Google form that I'd like you to do to review Newton's second law. That's going to let me and you kind of know right where you're at. And it also has some questions at the end about like what are the trickiest parts for you right now and what are the easiest parts. And that'll help me know what we need to review before the test. So please do that. And then the warm-up question is also going to kind of give a feel of that too. We're going to do a review Kahoot on Monday afternoon, and then we're going to start the test review. Now the test review is an ungraded assignment, but it has 37 questions. So you have the end of Monday to do it, or Monday, Tuesday. You have Wednesday, Thursday async, and you also have Wednesday, Thursday during synchronous time, where we'll go through some of the stuff that people really want to work on. So do start that and have an idea of what problems you'd like some help on. And then the test is going to be on Friday or Monday, depending on if you're first hour or fourth or sixth hour. And yeah, I'll let you know more about that pretty soon. Okay, that is the plan for the week. If you want to look ahead, I've got things posted. Oh, I don't really have much posted. Ha! But basically for the rest of the year, after we get done with this test, it's going to be review for the final exam. And the final exam is going to be on either June 9th, 10th, or 11th, depending on what hour you're in. And it's going to review everything from this whole year. So luckily for you guys, we did not cover as much material as a normal physics class would in a normal year. But I'm sure we'll still use some good time to review. So I hope you guys are having a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.